Hi, it's Reba from Team Reba, Real Estate's Best Advisors. And today we're going to talk about 4 different areas that when you're preparing your home for sale, it's really good to do the work up front rather than wait until you're under contract. First up, the furnace. In the furnace, what people are looking for is it functional, what's the age, and is the filter dirty? What we're really hoping for is that you've had an opportunity to get it serviced before it goes on market. That is going to be fantastic both for home inspections as well as anyone to see, and it's also just going to freshen up your home and the space because you've got a new filter in. Secondly, water heater. Not only is somebody looking for what is the age of that water heater, because all inspectors will start calling them out for age as soon as they hit the age of 8 years old, but they're also looking very specifically for there's strapping that needs to be done. Here in the Northwest, it's called earthquake strapping. 2 straps that need to go on to hold it in place in case we do have any earthquake turbulence around here. Lenders, by the way, will not lend on the home unless those are there. So if your home does not currently have them, make sure they're in. Another item, and absolutely must have in place, are carbon monoxide monitors. So starting in 2012, the state of Washington required those in all point of sales of homes. And the great part about those is they can be purchased for plug-in or you can hardwire them. Now, CO monitors are available at many hardware stores as well as places like a CVS or a Rite Aid. So just go check some of your local places to see where you can find those. For every floor of your home, they need to be placed closest to the bedrooms, not your kitchen. Very important distinction. Code has changed over the years, so smoke alarms. So smoke alarms nowadays are requested to be in all bedrooms as well as in hallway areas. So one of the great things when you buy a CO monitor is many of those also can be combo units with a smoke alarm. So those are our 4 tips today for something that will help you smooth your transaction along. Get them in place before you go on market. Nothing will slow you down. Thanks so much.